Let us begin with the movie tracker. First, list of genres are maintained here. We have help section to understand how this works. Now, to add a new movie you need name, movie poster, short plot detail, select genres, release year, status, select yes or no for whether movie is rewatchable or not. Add watch date and your rating along with extra notes if needed. Use filters to find out your rewatchable movies list and more. If you just want to find your next movie, just go to Movie Gallery where you can see movie details along with poster by status. Find your next movie by using various filters. Pretty easy, isn't it? Get this movie tracker and other free and premium Notion templates from the link in the description. Thank you.